We're back in. That lovely shot there of the yard, isn't that beautiful? Right, time to get going. Time to get going. Up there, look at the colours. Up there to turn around, and then back up to Denver Sluice to get the boat cleaned off. All these little black specks of paint. Oh, I can't get them off. They're a nightmare. Let's get going. I'm looking forward to seeing how differently the boat handles, to be honest. Here we go. First cruise off. Isn't that just beyond any words I could frivolously try to explain that? Stunningly beautiful, isn't it? The colours, bit of mist. Wow. Yeah, wow, that's about it. That's all I can come up with. This time I'm going to go that way, then go in front and there, then let the current take me around. Come on, flow, take me around then. Just working the prop wave in the waveform, you know, just to help it go around quicker. There you go. You can turn a lot quicker if you row, sort of row the rudder. I can't to explain. But if you push it left and right, it will turn a lot quicker. There we go. We're off rippers. Lovely English countryside. Say goodbye to AJW Marine Engineers and they black narrowboats. And it's £14 a foot. Get it out, black it, and there's Adam doing his business. Such nice people. Highly recommend it. Highly recommend. The area is beautiful. The cruise is nice. Highly recommend it.
The sand of time runs through my
difference. It's so smoother. It's so much smoother through the water. Probably won't last long, but it feels so different handling wise. I used to get loads of turbulence down the sides, loads of drag, and the engines, for the speed I'm getting, it's probably a mile an hour quicker than what it was, 2 miles an hour quicker than what it was for the same revs. So much smoother, cutting through the water. What a difference. What a day for it. What a day for cruising down the beautiful Wissey. The way the water slips down the boat want to show you a quick clip of what Roger told me about the factory. Here we are. So that's sugar factory. That's sugar beet factory.
Yeah, 1925.
1925.
Now the roads were built in 1940 and 1941 by Italian prisoners of war.
Wow.
So the next time you go by and you're on your blog, you can be a bit more informed.
That is amazing. So you got rail there, and you've got all the barges lined up there.
And this is the tug that used to bring there were 3 or 4 tugs, and they used to bring the barges to the factory.
It's not you on there, is it? Causing trouble.
No, that's my son.
That's your son?
Yeah, so here and here are the gantries, the cranes that used to unload the barges.
Wow.
So that the labourers had to get into the barges and scrape the boat and scrape the beet so the crab could get them.
What's that? What's the cargo there?
That's sugar beet.
That's all sugar beet.
Oh,
right.
sugar beet, of course it is. And this is a loading point, and I'm trying to do some research to see where this is. This is a loading point because the beet used to come with horses and carts, and you used to put them down the wooden chutes into the...
I see a lot of those going to Sheffield. On
a cold, frosty morning, the beet would get stuck in there, and it was a very precarious job to poke the beet into... It was when labour was...
Labour.
When labour was labour.
Yeah. Everyone was working. Every man and boy.
Yeah, every man and boy.
Was working.
The only thing that is exactly the same as it was then, Will, is the river.
There's a river, not changed
and
at all.
And you came along here.
Yes.
And you did a bit on your blog, but next time you do it, you can be a bit more well informed.
Yes.
This is where all the barges were. The river has stayed exactly the same. The only thing that's changed is the factory.
So it's not meandered at all in the river.
And so there's no, not at all.
Wow.
So there's the rail bridge.
Rail bridge, yeah.
And that's the same rail bridge that is on this picture.
So it's
on the way on the way to
looks a lot wider.
Because this is the Ouse. This is the Ouse. This is not the Wissey. This is the Ouse because there was a factory at Ely.
Oh yeah.
There was a sugar factories all over the place.
All right. I think this section here is a series of washers where they wash it and filter it out in different stages to extract the fibres which make up your sugar type of thing. I don't know exactly how they make it, but they also make other chemicals, ethanol and other bio fuels and CBD oil for your pain relief. So they do a lot of stuff. It's an amazing place. Look at this house, look, imagine that in the middle of nowhere. That'd be my house, that'd be mine, middle of nowhere, beautiful. Oh, you're miserable, you are. Bloody ain't miserable, I'm very happy with myself. Ilgay. Sounds funny. Ilgay. What the story of this boat was, you know. You can see the hull goes down there. It looks like it was a wooden top boat, you know. The boiler and the fire, all the vents. Somebody's pride and joy sitting on the back. Yeah, enjoying the sunny days. It's a decent size. It's like 35-40 feet. Cruiser stern. Bless its heart, eh? It's always a sad sight, that is. And for the person as well. I don't know the person. It's up to the person, you know. It's always a sad sight, isn't it? Bless them. Get going. It almost at the end of the Wissey. I've still got some touching up to do. I've got to do that section there, but the rest of it looks so clean and tidy, doesn't it? Oh, you know, it's hard to get off. You know what's these black speckles from when I was jet washing? They are welded. Look, I can't get them off. They're welded to the boat. Can you believe it's all over the place? Look, it's so hard to get off. No. Oh dear, 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 dear. Well, well, well. Also got to touch up the top of there. I couldn't reach it. But the boat looks so clean and tidy. Oh dear. Right, let's finish the washing. That won't stay clean very long, will it? I stayed here for a night. Beautiful, quiet, but they started cutting the trees down again, so time to get off to Denver Sluice. As you can see, look, it's starting to get cold now. I got all my gear on. Oh no, he's got his scarf on that I found somewhere, car boot. I think I bought that. I got all my warm gear on, you know. It's just getting bloody cold now. I'm cruising to Denver Sluice because this Gober moorings here, they become noisy because they're cutting the trees down, which is, you know, fine. But I'm going to move anyway because I want to get some hot water, I want to get some electric, and I want to do the washing. Let's rock and roll with this. I'll turn it off with gloves on. No, I can't turn it off with gloves on. Damn it. It's like a different boat, this boat is. This cruise is so much easier. I'm flying along at 1300 RPM. I was dragging like hell before, and I'm flying along. It's incredible. Oh, lots and lots of firewood here from chopping those trees down, bless them. Those lovely Gober moorings, peaceful and quiet. It's a lovely area, but I am literally miles from seeing my family this year. 220 miles away. Oh, I just can't bear it. Oh, they're all going, they're all off, look. No, come back. Come back. Oh, they're all off, look. Around this corner at the same time as filming these. Oh, come on, it's a tight one. No, it's a completely different boat. It really is. It's a lot smoother through the water. Oh, you're saying that? I know it could be psychological, but it just feels like I'm gliding through the water so much quicker, smoothly, you know. Before I was having to force it through, but now it just seems to glide through. It's cutting the water so much better. It's only a narrowboat. I know it's only a narrowboat, but still, you know, all that scraping I did, all that drag that must have been on it, and even all the rusty, flaky paint that holds it back. You know, I've got a smooth paint on it, completely different. Wow, it's a bit damp. A little bit drippy. Cows are loving it, aren't you? Move! Oh, moving. Water the pea. Woo! Got some water. And oh, what boat's gone? Got some water and clean the front of the boat. Needed it. Always amazes me how they follow one bird. How does that bird know where it's going? You know, like instinct, I suppose. Just behind the moorings, you've got these lovely walking areas where you can walk down, look at the sunsets, and listen and watch all the wildlife, and just take a deep breath and calm yourself. You know, until the crows wake up in the morning, get you out of bed. I love this. sea. There's jackdaws and crows. Rocks as well, maybe. Wow. My lovely sister's done for me, look. That beautiful, look. Wow. Look, that lemon cake just tasted.
Yeah.
She got
Millionaire shortbread.
Millionaire shortbread.
Yeah, scone.
Scone.
Cherry scones.
Cherry
Lemon
scones.
cake and damson
Lemon
jam.
cake, damson jam.
And chutneys.
And chutneys.
Cheese.
For cheese. Oh, you beauty. Absolute beauty.
For cheese.
Lovely. Thank you. I got back from Knott's, just got a shower. I forgot to fill my coal pail up. Look. Oh, hey. Right, let's set you up. Are you there? You set up. Right, am I back to front lot, eh? Like I'm in the hood. I'm in the hood. No, because you keep catching it on the. I like to wear a hat, but I keep catching it on the van. I've noticed a squeaking from the rear of the vehicle. I could, you know, when you're rolling, it wasn't quite rolling as free as it should do. I could feel a sort of a binding. So I went round the wheels and I felt each wheel, but the back left one was getting hot. So I just got a torch inside and I had a look at the brake, and the brake pad is starting to crumble. Not like my crumble. That's much nicer. It's starting to crumble and it looks a bit red. It's been getting hot, so I've got a feeling that the caliper runners have become seized, and it needs to be done ASAP. I've got the pads. Pads are only 15 quid for 4, but the tool to screw the pistons back in for the pads, that was 19 quid. So it's cost me 30 odd quid to do it, but what would it cost in the garage, you know? Probably not much, really, wouldn't it? Not much better, different to that. Anyway, I've got the tool, which I use that all the time anyway. It's a special tool that goes into the piston and it turns it like that up, eh? Yeah, so I'm gonna. I know you enjoyed the last one I was doing with cam belt and that's the van's still running. Surprisingly, God, shocked me. So that's still going, and so I'm going to do the rear pads. Let's go and do it, shall we?